That small county from southwest China is awakened every day by the sound of Dada, a morning symphony unique to this region. In 𝐂𝐻𝐻𝐸 County, Yan City, Sichuan Province, people usually pick a bowl of chewy and savory noodles to kick off a joyous day with carbs. This distinctive handmade dish is known as 𝐂𝐻𝐻𝐸 Dada noodles, boasting a history of over 2 centuries. Because of the Dada sound made by slapping a dough on a kneading board during preparation, the dish got its name Dada noodles. Locals normally pronounce it as Dada mian. This bowl of noodles represents not just a feast for the taste buds, but also a vivid tale from the ancient Tea Horse Road.